Hi everyone, welcome back to my live sessions Biomedical Engineering with Ganesh. Today Sunday, happy Sunday. Today I come back here daily 9 p.m. live sessions I'm giving. So very happy to share with you all. Today I bring it for you about medical equipment, biomedical engineering medical equipment, that is aspirator. Aspirator suction machine, okay? So we can call suction machine, and two names are there, aspirators, okay? So now I'm going to cover complete live sessions here. Aspirator completely for every biomedical engineering purpose, very clearly information I'm going to share with you all, okay? My dear students, my dear engineers, my dear staff, and whoever working as a biomedical engineers, freshers, juniors, thank you so much. First of all, I should say thankful. I should be gratitude to everyone because of 12 lakhs views reaching my YouTube channel, professional channel. So that's why today I am very happy to share with you all. That's why I have decided to give you very valuable information about all medical equipments. My target is here 1000 live sessions, different topics. Same today I bring it for you. That is aspirator. So what is aspirator and many things pin to pin I'm going to explain proper notes by adding my real time hospital experiences. Definitely you will get a great information, right? Let me introduce myself first of all. So many engineers know very well about me. So let me introduce myself. I'm Ganesh, State Regional Manager, Operations Biomedical Engineering Services. So I have worked in different companies, hospitals, private, government, and government projects, and so multiple areas I have worked in my biomedical engineering career. So I have crossed over the all designations in my life from engineering student. Okay, I have completed the graduations, SSC, BIPC, SDPME, that is Special Diploma in Electronics and Biomedical Engineering, and Bachelor of Technology in Biomedical Engineering, and MBA Hospital Equipment Engineering System. And I have covered in my life 18 years of experiences, and I have crossed over the multiple designations in my life. First of all, from starting engineering student to after my college, I completed the internship, apprenticeship. Next, I got this interview. Okay, now I selected trainee, junior trainee, technician. Next, technician, senior technician, junior biomedical engineer, senior biomedical engineer, and different categories, and head of the department in biomedical engineering, and district in charges, and zonal in charges, zonal manager, zonal head, deputy manager. Now I reach state level operations. So multiple journals have in the state of government of India. So there I'm working so successfully. So those all experiences I'm giving you all because of my live sessions, very useful to all biomedical engineering students, freshers, and everyone. Because of my YouTube channel is going to create the like biggest platform. Every day, every topic I'm going to cover by using my own real-time hospital experiences. As a citizen of India, as a citizen of the society, today I want to give the awareness through my live sessions because of for society purpose, proper guidance is very important. So that's why even Sunday also I am coming live sessions to provide the valuable informations. Today I'm going to cover topic what aspirator. For this purpose, 1 to 2 hours will be there. Two sections I will explain in this presentation about these basic points and technical points and practical points and what are the things are there. If you face the problem, then what how to do, what not to do, and everything. Completion of my live session, definitely you will get clarity about your biomedical engineering skills. And skills are very important to improve your career. That's why while doing your duty, you have to focus on your work and skills. How you are performing the work, that is very important to your life. Understand? So first of all, take it seriously and be professional. And let me continue. Let me show you what I bring it for you and what I have decided to you. Okay, what I have decided to provide the live sessions, that is aspirator. Okay, so aspirator purpose I will show you. Let me show you. Please engage right now, and whoever new persons, subscribe now and give me comments and try to engage. And this live session is going to record in my live sessions playlist. So everything going to professional. Please keep quiet. I'm going to start this session. Understand? Right. Now let me show you presentation I want to show you right now. My dear students, engineers, listen to carefully. Here in my live sessions, no need to pay anything, free of cost and full concentration, excellent valid experiences I'm going to share with you all. Okay, because of I have observed many engineers and many students, so that much capabilities needed. So that's why today I come back here to provide the valuable informations in my live sessions. For society purpose, I'm here because of very important information. So what I'm giving here, so those all informations in your life, right? Is it clear? Let me show you first of all today what I have in my life. For that purpose, see here, my dear students, my dear engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Today our live session what? Aspirator. Live 19/7/2026, 9 p.m. Aspirator suction mission here. What I'm showing here. This is my presentation. Complete masterclass, working principle, label parts, vacuum pressure, troubleshooting solutions, PMS and calibrations, and many things, motor details, capacitor, switch ratings, and jar capacitor, everything pin to pin. I'm going to explain very carefully, okay? Because of see, what I'm going to give you very valuable information, so it is very important in your life. Especially whoever working as a biomedical engineers, understand? Daily I'm giving live sessions means it's very complicated, but today I'm capable to give you all information means once upon a time I am also biomedical engineer. So every day every designations I have decided to think more and to keep a ambition and catch the ambition, and day to day we have to grow our life. So that is my intention, positive intention. I come back here, I'm providing the valuable informations. Definitely, my dear engineer students, okay, students, engineering, and whoever working in for aspiration, this aspiration where is available and everything pin to pin I'm going to show you in this live sessions. Okay, see here aspirator. Because of as a biomedical engineer, you have to attend the call and you have to resolve the issues, and so many things are there. So that's why if I share here, definitely in your work area, multiple informations you will get it, and you will repair the medical equipments, right? And these all things, see, in my live sessions completely focus on what? Only biomedical engineering services. How to do, what to do, what not to do, okay, when how to do. So these all types of questions, so multiple way I bring it for you. 100 points, I'm going to explain all things, and different way I will give explain about this aspirator. Okay, I hope you got it very clear right now. And whoever engaged, subscribe now first of all, and like my channel and take it professional what I'm giving here. In my live sessions pin to pin, I'm going to cover very valuable informations I'm going to discuss here, right? So this is the what suction mission. Here I'm not taking any make model manufacturers. I'm talking about complete aspirator. What are the basic, what is definitions, what are the purpose of this, and what are the types of aspirators, and troubleshooting settings, and multiple master class I'm going to provide here. Let me continue right now, right? Let me start out. First slide presentation. Is it visible right now, my dear engineer? See here. See, I'm talking. If you not understand, then immediately tell me and give me comments in my live sessions. Definitely, I will be there to support you. I will provide the valuable information based on your comment. And see, today what I bring it for you. Today, what I am going to give the live sessions about the aspirator. That is also one of the subscriber. Okay, so given me comment, and so many engineer students also asking, sir, I want to know this, sir. I want to know this, sir. I'm focusing all types of engineers, whoever available in the society. As a citizen of society, I'm coming here. This is my personal time. Here, my disclaimer. I want to say, I'm not including any companies, protocols, anything. Okay. As a citizen of India, what I faced in my life, and what are the changes? What are the changes in my life? Okay. What opportunity I got and how I did it, my work. Those are things I'm going to explain here, right? Now come to the focus, come to the point right now. What I'm going to discuss here, without waste of time, only focus. My dear students, engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Aspirator or suction, okay? We are complete biomedical engineering guide. These are the very, very important. And in this way of live sessions may not available in the social media anywhere. And whoever have doubt, you will get clarifications, engage my live sessions. I hope. Okay. So that's why everything practical information. See here, I'm giving presentation, so those all things practical information only, but I'm giving presentation means to understand you purpose. I took a notes in this way, I prepared notes in this way. So multiple years of experiences, so multiple time what we got it. So those all informations I'm trying to share you here in this live sessions. Okay, right. First of all, we will go to the equipment. See here, first of all, how look like equipment as a biomedical engineer we should know. If you are a new person, if you are a like experienced person also, if you know, you may not have idea, that time you should know. So no problem. Okay, if you are zero also, no problem. Try to become a hero, engage my live sessions, everything in a professional way. Ganesh sir, what I'm saying. Okay. And now see here, I want to show you, my dear engineers. See here, here you can, it is visible right now, my dear engineers. This is the suction aspirator. Okay. So if you take make, model, manufacture, it is going to vary. But at the same time, see aspirator, see aspirator suction, how look like? As a biomedical engineers, whoever working as a biomedical engineer to provide the services purpose, you should know whenever you see the equipment that how look like, and when you see the equipment, then only you can find out the name of the equipment. Okay, and what is that equipment and what is the purpose of this, and everything you have to analyze in your mind. So for your analyzation purpose, I'm trying to give you in my live sessions, definitely in multiple way I'm going to show you, right? First of all, let me show you, my dear engineers, listen to carefully and try to watch my sessions, and what I'm going to say, those are things very clearly information I'm going to share with you all. Okay, right, come on. Let me start now. First of all, see here, this is the suction machine, aspirator. Okay. So label parts I'm going to show you here. See, vacuum gauge pressure meter. Okay. Here the what? Vacuum gauge pressure meter. This one. First of all, you should know pressures, biomedical engineers, and next see here, vacuum regulator. Oh, madam. I Now vacuum regulator control knob. This is see here. It is visible right now. Yes. Now power indicator. So power indicator here, see here, because of I'm saying always biomedical engineering equipments depend on manufacturers what, electrical electronic basis only. Yes, have you got it right? So power indicator, see here, because of without power supply we cannot activate the components and we cannot start the medical equipment. Yes, so that's why I'm saying here. So power switch, see here, I'm giving label parts here. You can understand by engage my live sessions. My dear engineers, listen to carefully and focus on it. This is valid time. What I'm giving live sessions, it is going to record in my live sessions. Let me continue right now. Now we are discussing about the aspirator suction machine. Okay. Now overflow protection valve float. See here. If you take any model, any manufacturer, these are the things common. For jars, common. Okay. Collection jar, polycarbonate, jar lid with connector. See. So these all accessories you should know, because of as a biomedical engineer we have to provide the services. To provide the services purpose, we should be awareness about all parts whatever available in the aspirator. Okay, and see here handle, my dear engineers, this is the handle. When you see practical, you can remove and bacterial or hypo. See here. Okay, hydrophotic filter and suction tubing silencer. Okay, silicon. So see here, this is the very, very important what I'm going to say aspirator, because of in operation theaters, in the laboratory, labor rooms, ICUs, these are the very, very important aspirator. Because of aspirator, when we are using, so those points I'm going to discuss right now, I'm going to show you. Okay. I hope you got it very clearly about the aspirator, how look like and what the parts are there. Today I have shown you, right? Yes, come on. Now come here. Definition. What is suction machine? What is aspirator? I'm going to show you, because of in this way. Actually, my intention what I want to give you full information about the medical equipments. Today I have selected the aspirator, that is suction machine. Okay. Now come on. Let me say. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. So an aspirator suction machine is a device that generates negative pressure vacuum to remove blood, mucus, saliva, omit pus or other body fluids from patient's airway or surgical site. This is simple definition, understand? Because of aspirator was what? To remove the unwanted waste materials, to remove the waste materials, and to remove the blood also. Okay, depend on situations, it is you going to use. I hope you got it very clearly. So very simple definition. Those are the definitions you have to keep in your mind, what I'm saying here and what I'm giving notes, that those are the very, very important in your life. Okay, so this is the definition of the word aspirator. Yes, come on. So again I'm going to read, then you can understand. An aspirator suction machine, okay, both are same name, we can call both name aspirator or suction machine, is a device that generates negative pressure vacuum to remove blood, mucus, saliva, omit pus or other body fluids from patient's airway or surgical site. This is the very, very important equipment, because of this is patient side. So that's why very, very important. It's critical situations. It is very, very helpful in a healthcare sector. Okay, that's why I have selected here. And record this whatever complaints coming, and as a biomedical engineer, how to do, what not to do, and everything points I'm going to show you. First of all, basic points I am sharing here, because of I am focusing on freshers also. Okay, freshers, new persons, engineers, whoever entered newly. For that purpose, this basic information important, and I'm going to cover in this session technical things and everything. Many parts I'm going to share here. Okay. Now let me show you. First of all, see here. Point wise, I'm going to explain, because of point wise. If I go, then it will be clarity. And mostly my intention here, I want to give the clarifications about your doubt and about our medical equipments by giving the presentation. Okay. Let me continue. Keep watch my channel. Whoever newly joined, subscribe now. And types of equipment, see here. There suction machines are types. First of all, you should know what are the types of the equipment. Okay, any equipment. Now we are going to discuss aspirator suction machine. Number 1 points here, manual suction machine, and number 2, electric suction machine. Okay, AC and battery operated portable suction, and wall mounted central vacuum suction, and single jar suction machine, and double jar suction machine, and high vacuum or high flow suctions. Okay, so now we are discussing what about double jar suction machine purpose. We are discussing, because of mostly these equipments are available in every air, every operation theaters. Okay, operation theaters and ICUs and delivery rooms, and these are the basic point. Without sanction, we cannot do the operations also. Yes, right. These are the types of equipment. What aspirators? Please keep note down, because of whenever you go to face the interview term, it will be used. Okay, these are the basic important. And when you are doing the services, then these are the things very, very important. But before getting the complaint, then you have to check it all things, which type of suction mission. Okay. Now come here. My dear engineer, listen to carefully. I hope you are listening right now. Yes. Let me continue. Now today, purpose of equipment, see here, I'm going to show you, because of proper presentation is very, very important. And whoever engaged, whoever interested, this type of career opportunity is very, very important, right? Yes. Now, purpose of equipment, please note down and keep in your mind, because of direct point you have to keep in your mind, right? Yes. Let me say, purpose of equipment number 1 point, clear airway and maintain patency. Okay. And remove secretions, blood, vomit, mucus. Improve visibility during surgical procedures. Prevent aspiration and infection, and essential in emergency and critical care. So these are the purpose of equipment. So mostly very, very important. And doctors without suction machine, they are not ready to do the operations also, because of so many mucus and so many unwanted things, how to remove and how to clean, that is the while during surgery and deliveries, that is the very very important. That's why these are the very very recommend. That's why whenever you get a complaint, don't ignore it. Okay, whenever you get a complaint, definitely you should be active and proactive. They immediately try to attend and try to catch the complaint and try to resolve it. Okay, right. Now fourth point, see here, applications, first priority, see here, where we are using this equipment, suction machine, aspirator. So where we are using, we should know and we should be awareness, right? And see, my advice, before touching the suction machine, you should take protocol and gloves, mask, and proper sanitization, proper anti-infection. So those all things very very important, because of this is very very dangerous equipment. Okay, so silence, it will infect our body. And see here, first of all, applications of first priority. See here, my dear engineer students, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. So, aspirator, see here, where we can use suction machine, ICU, intensive care unit, and second point, operation theater, OT, and emergency department. Okay, in hospital, every hospital emergency department will be there, because of whenever get a patient from first enter here only, right? And neonatal ICU, NICU, and pediatric ICU, PICU, and ambulance, and ENT department, dental clinic, home care, tracheostomy. Okay, so these are the very very important areas to use the medical equipment. Why first priority? See, I want to show you here why first priority aspirator. Understand? Why aspirator first priority? I am going to show you. See here, airway clearance is life-saving. In critical conditions, delay in suctioning may cause airway obstruction, hypoxia, okay, hypoxia and cardiac arrest. So the mostly these suctions where when patient connect to the when ventilator, okay, when ventilator in ICU, when ventilator connected to the patient, then what happen? Their suctions will be created. Okay, saliva, mucus, those things. Sometimes if not remove, if you not clean, so that their block will be happen, then ventilation proper not done. So like that different situations will be there. That is why first priority. Okay, life saving equipment, because of it is going to clean all things waste materials by using this sucking. Okay, suction means what? Suck the material. Understand? Right. So I hope you got it very clear right now, this one about this. And pin to pin I'm going to show you, nothing to worry, and try to catch my points what I'm saying here. These are the real-time hospital experiences, because of this much capability, this much information purpose. Real-time hospital experience is very very important. Whoever have capable, those engineers only can give this much information. So I have in my life. So that's why today I'm discussing all things. So I'm talking very clearly, normal English, so everybody can understand, and many lakhs of people can watch my sessions. They can utilize my YouTube channel. Okay, I hope by engage my live sessions, you will get a great information, and you can do perform and you can resolve the issues. And what I'm saying, try to listen and try to keep in your mind, right? Right. Come on. Working principles here, my dear engineers, listen to carefully. Sixth point, working principle of the aspirator. Now I'm going to show you and I'm going to read all things, so then you can understand very clearly, right? First of all, working principles here, very simple. Try to keep in your mind. First point, see here, motor drives the vacuum pump. Understand? And second point, see here, pump creates negative pressure vacuum. Number third point, see here, fluids are drawn through suction tubing. And fourth point, fluids collect in the collection jar. And fifth point, bacterial filter prevents contamination and overflow. Production prevents fluid entry into pump. Okay, these are only try to keep in your mind, because of simple way what I'm giving instructions. So definitely, if you don't get panic and don't fear and don't escape from the biomedical engineering work. Okay, this is a risky area, but if you know work well, then you can survive long time by engage my live sessions, by knowing skills, that you can survive long time. That's why today I'm giving live sessions. So that is the behind of the success story. That's why I'm giving all information. So if you approach lakhs of people, so definitely it is very very successful in everyone life, right? Right. So this is the working principle of the aspirator. Yes, I hope you got it very clear right now, my dear engineers. Let me continue. Yes, thank you. Now, working operation, see here, my dear engineers, I hope you are listening, you are watching, right? And see, Whatever you have doubt, not only this equipment, anything about biomedical engineering, if you have any doubt, definitely give me comment in my live sessions. I will make a live for you all, daily wise. Okay, right. My first priority is every subscriber, every engineers, whoever you give the comment positive way, and whoever interested about the biomedical engineering, for those engineer purpose, definitely I will support you. Okay, right. Now come here, working operations. See here, switch on the mission. Okay, first of all, very see here, switch on the mission. First of all, where is the switch? That's why I have given the information, so proper parts are there, how look like equipment, sample purpose I'm giving here. Okay, so first of all, what you have to do, working operation, switch on the mission. Next point, adjust vacuum using regulator knob. Third point, connect catheter to patient and secretions are sucked into jar, and monitor vacuum gauge and jar level. After use, switch off and clean it. Very simple. But I am recommending what you know. See, listen to carefully. When you are going to use this suction machine, then you should wear the hand gloves and mask and proper precautions. Okay, protocol is very infection protocols are there, so definitely you should follow. Basically, biomedical engineers are not regular maintenance. Okay, only technicians in ICUs, technician, nursing staff, they will operate this suction machine. Doctors also sometimes they are using. Okay, to suctioning purpose. But why I am giving informations, because of these are this live sessions going to cover only for repairing sectors. Okay, so repairing sector, whenever you get a complaint, so what will be there, how will be there, I'm going to explain in my live sessions by adding my real time hospital experiences. Okay, I hope you got it very clear right now. So these are the points, working operations. If you take any make, model, manufacture any suction machine, definitely these are the main basic points you have to follow how to do. Okay, so when you are in ICUs, when you are in operation theater, so when you are in front of the suction machine, then if you have any doubt, just give me comment in my YouTube channel. Definitely I will be there to support you. Okay, free of cost, and you have to pay concentration only, no need to pay money, right? Yes, because social awareness purpose I'm giving here, I'm bringing, that is my happiness purpose, right? Come on, my dear engineers. Now here I'm going to show you workflow. Understand? So I'm going to show you what workflow about the aspirator. So aspirator suction machine workflow. Because of, see, as a biomedical engineer, whoever want to become a good biomedical engineer and senior biomedical engineer, if you want to provide the services excellent in your work area, okay, if you want to get a promotions in your life, so for that purpose, what happen, you know? So we are very workflow is very important as a biomedical engineer. Because of, as a biomedical engineer, we have to operate, we have to repair, we have to follow the multiple equipments in hospitals. So complete responsibility of the medical equipments, who will take care? Biomedical engineer only. Okay, so that's why I'm giving daily 9 p.m. 1 hour, 1 to 2 hours, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. I'm giving to all people. So very important and very necessary to all biomedical engineers. Okay, right. So come here, I want to show you workflow 8th point. See here, I'm showing here, these are the, see here, this is the workflow complete. Very simple. And work operation, what I have given points, those points were practical way to make you understand purpose, I'm giving in a proper notes. Okay, biomedical engineer, is it clear my voice? Let me continue. And if you are engaging, please give me comment. Come on. So that's why, see here, workflow, see, power on. Let me say and keep watch my session. If you engage my sessions, then you come to know many informations are there. Okay, in this presentation, see here, easy way to get it all things workflow. See here, first of all, this is the workflow. In this workflow, these all things covering. See here. Okay, now we are discussing about aspirator suction machine workflow. Power on, set vacuum level, and connect catheter. Okay, when patient, okay, catheter connection, suction in progress, collection in jar, and switch off the unclean. Very simple operation and simple principle also you have to keep in your mind. Okay, yes, is it clear? Is it clear now? If you have any doubt, nothing to worry. For a biomedical engineering purpose, I am here. Ganesh sir available. I am here. I am only Ganesh sir. Okay. So based on my experiences, I am going to give you presentation different way, which is necessary to all biomedical engineers and which is very helpful to all biomedical engineers. If I provide these informations, definitely you will have a great platform in your life, right? Come on. So eighth point completed. Now come here. Try to engage with me right now, my dear engineers. Let's come on, come on, come on, come on. Now valid point I'm going to discuss here, because of this is very very important. Troubleshooting of the C. Troubleshooting guidance, easily we may not get it. Okay, so only whenever you get a complaint, whenever doing work as multiple ways, so then only you will get it, otherwise not possible to get it all things. So that's why see here, as a biomedical engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. My voice is clear right now, my dear engineers? Yes. So see here, come to the point, troubleshooting as a biomedical engineer, that is very very important. Biomedical engineering is the what? Individual performer. Individual performer, problem solver. So how it is possible? That's why engage my live sessions, and many more informations I'm going to give you, different live sessions. So today, aspirator suction mission. Now we are going to discuss troubleshooting guide of aspirator suction mission. Okay, right. Right. Just now I got a message, that is Sayankaran 8321. Sir, I am Sayankaran from West Bengal. I want to innovate many things in medical science. Now I am in class 10th. Where should I go next? Yes, I will give the advice. Okay. First of all, see, first of all, go to my channel. Understand? First of all, go to my channel, Biomedical Engineer with Ganesh. First, check my channel and watch my channel. On whatever you have doubt, just give me comment. Now, today, I'm good. I'm doing live session is going. Many engineers are waiting. Okay. So, first of all, Sayankaran, listen to carefully. First of all, go to my channel, check all things one by one. Live sessions, you go there and playlist check there. And what are the things available? So if not available for your question, so again give me comment after, before and this session I will engage with you all. Okay, and first of all subscribe now, because if you subscribe my channel, every notification will come in your mobile and in your session, right? So biomedical engineering purpose, see, I am completely background area, so 18 years of experience successfully completed. Let me continue. Now today I bring it for you all peoples, that is aspirator suction machine, biomedical equipment, biomedical engineering equipment. I'm going to explain right now. Okay, right, come on. Engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Troubleshooting guide, see here. Problem, possible cause, and solutions. Okay, so problem, solutions, cause. First of all, I will give the reply. Please go to. Okay, fine. Okay, sir, I already subscribe your channel. Okay, fine. So give me comment in my YouTube channel, because of now I'm going to session, going to finish this session, because of one complete topic. This topic is very very important. All biomedical engineers, they are doing the work. Work time, what will happen? Everything I'm going to explain. For your question, Sayankaran, definitely I will give the proper answer. I will give the proper explanation, because of I have started my career also from starting level to today state level operations manager. Under me, 100 of engineers are there. So definitely I will give you advice. Okay, right. I will first of all, let me finish this now. After this I will come now. Okay, right, come on. Now see here, come biomedical engineer, listen carefully. Now we are discussing about what? Aspirator suction machine. Okay, so here troubleshooting, every time I'm saying, see here, in our work area, troubleshooting is very very important. If you want to become a specialist, if you want to become a biomedical engineer, if you want to become a best performance, then you should be perfect troubleshootings. Understand? Troubleshooting is what? Problem, possible cause, and solution. Problem, okay? Problem is there. Every problem, every equipment have a problem. That's why every biomedical engineer appointed for the biomedical engineers in hospitals. So let me say, problem wise I'm going to explain, my dear engineers. Problem, see here, no suction. Okay, whenever you get a complaint from the hospital, biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. No suction will come. Then what happened? Possible cause: power failure, fuse blown, and motor fault, and disconnected tubings. These are the things you have to focus. Whenever you get a complaint, nothing to worry. Don't get panic in your life, and don't try to escape. And be aware, and should be approached there. Okay. So this is the problem causes. Solution, what will do? Solution, check power, fuse, motor connections. So these connections, how to check it? By using the multimeter, you have to check the power. Okay, so multimeter, you have to know the how to use the equipment, how to use the multimeter, you should know. So check power supply. Power supply, how much? I will tell you in this live sessions. Okay, and fuse, motor connection, these all things solutions. Okay, next low suction come. In suction mission, low suction come, then what will happen? Possible causes: block filter, loose connections, full jar leakage in the tubings. These are the points you have to focus. Whenever you get a complaint, the step one troubleshooting means what? Depend on problem, you have to check the components, check the parts. So that's why I'm giving here information. Okay, right. Now see a solution, what? Clean or replace filter, tighten connections, empty jar, checking tubing. Okay, these are the one by one things you have to do in your work area. Motor not running. See, these all complaints, you will get a complaint from the hospital and technicians, OT, delivery room, ICUs, and wherever available this equipment. Okay, right. Motor not running means then possible causes what will be there? Fuse blown and switch fault, capacitor fault, and motor seized. Okay, so these all things possibilities are there. And then solutions what will be there? Check fuse, switch capacitor, lubricate or replace motor. Okay, see, these all informations I'm giving means based on multiple experiences. I have a great experiences, 18 years of experience in multiple hospitals. So when I was a engineer time, that those points I have found, I have rectified, I have resolved the issues also. So that's why today I come back here to provide the valuable information about this medical equipment, that is aspirator suction machine. Okay, right, come on. Abnormal noise. These are the, see here, abnormal noise. This is the complaint. See, daily, these all complaints at a time may not come. Okay, so daily, alternate days, continuously using means at any situations may get problem. Then they will give you a complaint about the equipment to inform you. Right? That time you have to respond as a biomedical engineer, and you should be a skillful engineer. Okay. So that time, if you not have a skill, then that is very dangerous in your, dangerous to the patient first of all, next to your job also. Okay, so that's why what I'm giving here informations, those informations definitely try to keep in your mind, and definitely you will have a bright future, right? And whenever you get a complaint, don't ignore and try to be first priority and immediately try to resolve. If you do not have idea, then try to share with your seniors. Definitely they will support you. Okay, right, come on. If nobody support, okay, if nobody available in front of you as a biomedical engineer, then give me comment in my YouTube channel. Definitely I will be there to support you, right? Okay, I will give the advice to resolve the issues. And fluid in, see, problem cause troubleshooting, see here, fluid in pump. Okay, possible cause what will be there? Overflow protection failure and filter missing. Okay, first of all, whenever you get a complaint, then you have to check one by one first of all. Okay, don't touch the equipment because of it is very infectious equipment, because of it is going to remove the waste materials. So in that waste material, so many infections will be there. Okay, so that's why we should be hygienic. Equipment also should be hygienic. If you have any problem, then you have to inform to the technician, sir, I cannot touch the machine because of, you should clean the first of all. Okay, because of that is very uncomfortable to touch the equipment, please. Like that, you have to inform to the technician. They will do it definitely, because of they need only working condition equipment. So that much skills we have. Okay, if you may not have, that time you have to engage my live sessions. What I am saying, try to learn all things by engaging my live sessions. Right, come on. And fluid in pump, see here, fluid in pump. So sometimes what happened, wrong handling. Okay, so troubleshooting, why I'm giving, because of many complaints coming, which basis, so many nursing staff or technicians and whoever newcomers will be there, they don't know how to handle the equipment. Okay, so that's why as a biomedical engineer, every engineer should have a proper skills. So then you should be capable to provide the user training. Okay, so user training is very important. As a biomedical engineer, we have to provide the training to all medical equipments to the hospital management, because of at the end of the day, reliability of the services and equipment is should be safety, and patients also should get the treatment properly by using the technical medical equipment. Okay, right, come on. Now fluid in pump, see here, overflow protection failure, filter missing. Okay, problem cause it will be there. See, suddenly when you get a complaint, then you will get a panic. So many engineers panic and try to away because of, I don't know, sir, I'm a new person, how can I know, sir? They are scolding, they are like that, because of they are having a problem, so they are in trouble. We should not live alone, understand? So that's why you should be there, and you should face all things, then only you will become a biomedical engineering, understand? So that's why I'm saying, what, whoever interested, whoever have a great ambition in biomedical engineering, those persons only please enter in this, okay? So definitely 18 years of experience in my life, so today I'm getting so many success because of I have struggled, I did a hard work and proper plan, proper life ambition. So that's why today every designations I have crossover. Today I'm leading as just a top level, state level manager, okay? So not easy to get it all things and try to get it all the whatever I'm saying, and try to focus what I'm saying here, okay? Right, come on. So fluid in pumps here, possible cause overflow protection failure, and filter missing, see here. So these all things I see, then solution what will be there? Check overflow valve and use bacterial filter, okay? Next, jar not holding vacuum, okay? So because of vacuum, if it is holding, then only it is going to suction the waste materials, otherwise not possible, okay? So practically if you go, then if you have any problem, just if I show you practically, then it is very very easy understand, okay? So practical ways are not possible to go there in hospitals because of so many restrictions are there. So many things are there. That's why while doing a duty, we should not engage in social media, and we should not do any other activities. That's why we have to focus our job, okay? So because of, see, yeah, I have selected the YouTube channel. Basically I'm not a YouTuber, okay? So I have a graduated qualification, but I'm selected YouTube means because of best platform. It is a very disciplined area. Now see here, troubleshooting jar not holding means possibilities cause what will be there? Crack in jar, loose lid, and damaged gasket, okay? Next, replace, see here, replace jar lid and check gasket. Simple things. Whenever if you found the equipment, then you have to focus what are the things physically you have to find out. See, I am today, every time I'm giving troubleshooting here, that is the reason. What is the mystery? Why I need to give you these troubleshootings for you all? Because of, for problem purpose solution, okay? So problem why come, understand? So problem why come, I'm going to tell you, because of every point I'm going to explain all things, sir. So those things, definitely very very useful in your life, right? Yes. So that's why what I'm saying here, listen to carefully. This is all practical. See, as a top level state regional manager, but I'm discussing friendly because of to get a more informations, you should have a great skills. Understand? Here no need same anything, and here see it is going to record anyone, anywhere, anytime. You can watch my sessions without paying anything, right? Yes. Come on. Try to engage what I'm saying here. So, sir, now completed ninth point, what? Troubleshooting guide of the aspirator. So please keep note down, because of whenever you get a complaint, see, whenever we get a opportunity also we cannot expect. So that's why whenever you get a opportunity, that time you should be capable. Understand? So that's why what I'm giving these all information, sir. I'm sitting here means daily 9 to 11, 1 to 2 hours. I'm sitting means for only live sessions purpose, because of this is the very very important to every engineers. 10 years back, and now here present, so many changes are there in biomedical engineering, and lot of opportunities are there, and top companies available in globally, and lakhs of equipments are available. So that's why today I'm going to give the awareness about all medical equipments and concepts about the biomedical engineering, okay? Right? Right. I hope I'm giving very clearly, and whoever engaged, please subscribe my channel, and let me continue. Now come to the point right now. As a biomedical engineers, this is the very very important point I'm going to share with you all. See, till now what I'm going to share with you all, those are the very very important in your life, because of those are the very demand in the society, okay? Whenever you have a skills, then only you will get a good salary, then only you can recommend, then only you can demand your life. Understand? So that's my intention. Biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. Do your work not only for salary. Understand? Be a passion about your job, and try to focus on your job. And whatever assigned you work, definitely at the end of the day you have to finish, and instantly you have to respond all things. Understand? Life is very, very important, and life purpose skills are important. Those skills, what I have experienced in my life, those skills I'm giving in my life sessions. Very positive mind. Okay. And listen to carefully. Let me continue right now. Whoever new person subscribe now. And now I'm going to say regular problems of the aspirator. Okay. Regular problems of the aspirator success mission. Okay. Suction mission. What are the regular problems? Whatever you are getting main problems in hospitals, I'm going to say. Right. Come on. See here my presentation here. What I'm going to show you. And proper note, see every pin to pin point I'm going to give you, because of a single point also I don't want to leave, because of any at any situations, any situations, any problem will come, so those problems I bring it for you all, and engage my live sessions, definitely will get more information. Okay, right, come on. Now 10th point I'm going to read out now. See, it is visible right now. Yes, my dear engineers, is it visible? Tell me, let me continue. Yes, come on. So regular problems of the aspirator. First one, see here, low suction pressure and motor overheating and noise from pump and leakage of air and fluid overflow and frequent fuse blow and jar vacuum drop. See, these are the regular problems, and daily you have to attend the call and resolve the issues, because of hospital management needed what? Why? What needed? So what? Only working condition. What you do, what you are not doing, what those are things not required to the hospital management, because of as a biomedical engineer you have to repair, you have to check the equipment, you have to hand over the equipment to the hospital in working condition, because of patients are waiting for that equipment to treatment purpose. Okay, so that's why here problem solver is very, very important. We cannot mixing, and we cannot give the any point, and good communication also we have to do the work at some situations. And come here, so these are points regular problems, to decrease purpose, I will give the solutions. See, for here what we'll do, preventive maintenance is very, very important for every medical equipment. Preventive maintenance and calibrations, very, very important. I will tell you in this live session. So what are the points are there, what to do, what not to do, and how to do, so everything I will share with you all. Okay, right. So regular problems I have covered. Now come here, biomedical engineers, listen to carefully, viewers and whoever, about the biomedical engineering, because of its excellent fail. That's why today I'm going to give the awareness about the topic. Now come here, biomedical engineers. Now technical errors of the aspirators. Understand? So technical errors. See here what I'm giving instructions, what I'm giving points. These are all different types of experiences, and because many engineers are doing their work in hospitals, they are attending calls also. Sir, I have doubt about the suction, sir. Suction is not working, sir. Not pumping, sir. Not vacuum not coming, sir. Not pressure not coming, sir. Sufficient, sir. I check the motor, sir, but motor not working, sir. Motor not getting reactions, sir. Sometimes burn, sir. Next to capacitor not working, sir. So different types of questions, different types of queries raised by through the communications. Yes. So that's why in practical way I'm getting many informations and many complaints, because of I have to give the instructions as a state level regional manager. For instruction purpose I have appointed. Okay, so that's why here only I am focusing about the basic concepts of medical equipment as a biomedical, as a citizen of the society. Today I am going to give you all information here, because of very, very positive interaction is very, very important. Understand? Whatever you want to become in your life, the based on that only, ambition only, you have to go. Okay, biomedical engineering is not an easy, anything not easy. Okay, but this is the healthcare sector, that's why we should be careful. Even COVID-19 pandemic situation also, we are facing so many things, and we will lead the successful life, right? And see, today I'm talking in front of you all, means so I have achieved in my life, and I have awarded in my life, and so many appreciations come in my life, so by doing hard work in genuine way. So those things I'm going to show you, because of lot of engineers are there in the society. So if I provide the valuable information, if you engage my live sessions, definitely in your life you will become a master in your life. Okay, so today I reached the top level, so everyone should become like that, but I'm giving instructions and everyone follow, because of 12 lakhs reaching. So that much really hats up to you all. Now come to the point right now, my dear engineers. Technical errors. Understand? Listen to carefully. See, now what I am giving information, try to focus on things, and these are things what? Technical errors of the aspirator. Okay. So technical errors of the aspirator, that is suction machine, Now I'm going to tell you, I'm showing also here, presentation is visible right now, because of I'm showing and I'm telling, I'm sharing. Okay, so multiple way I'm trying to motivate the society and awareness the society, whoever not have idea about this aspirator mission. Okay, I'm talking about those type peoples only, because of so many lakhs of people are there. I know, so that's why if I provide the information, so catch of lakhs of peoples can watch and reach the channel. Right, come on. Let me read out now. So, what are the technical errors of the aspirator suction mission? Okay, see here. Wrong power supply. Okay, next wrong fuse rating and wrong capacitor value, and use non-medical grade tubing, and no filter or wrong filter, and no regular maintenance, and over tighter loose connections. See, these all things. So why need to say, sir? If you ask me like that, okay, so that's why whenever you get a complaint, because of see my live sessions, in which way helpful to you in your life, when you are doing these services as a biomedical engineer. See, biomedical engineering is the main job, what? To provide the services, multiple equipment, all medical equipments. So that's why you have a great responsibilities, understand? We have a great responsibilities. So if I share these technical errors and regular problems and troubleshootings pin to pin, if I share you, definitely you will catch the point without waste of time. You can do the performance, understand? And you can give the instructions also. So sometimes what happen, if you provide the user training properly to the user department, hospital management, hospital technicians, whoever using the equipment, okay, equipment end users, if you provide the proper training, definitely they will operate very clearly. Then you can do perform multiple activities and no need to struck one equipment. Okay, so let me say, wrong power supply, technical error 1, technical error 2, wrong fuse rating, technical error 3, wrong capacitor value, and technical 4 error C here, using non-medical grade tubings, and technical 5, no filter or wrong filter, and technical 6, no regular maintenance, and technical 7, over tight or loose connections. Okay, so whenever you get a complaint, then you have to observe, check one by one. These are things within fraction of minutes it is going to over. Okay, so those are the things you have to follow, and you have to resolve the issues in your work area. Practically you should do it. I cannot come there, yes or no? So I cannot come there. We are staying in different places, and different countries also there, and globally we are working as a biomedical engineer. Yes. So as a state regional manager, I'm giving all information. These are the technical errors of the aspirator suction mission. Now come here. Now 12th point, come here. See, I'm going to read out me. See here, I'm talking and I'm showing. Then listen my voice. Definitely, these are the points, very valid points. Whenever engineer come to face the problem, then only they know the value of the biomedical engineering services. After you pay a lot of money also, you may not clarity, you may not perfect in these situations. So that's why if I provide these live sessions, very 100% very useful in our life, right? Now come here. If not working, check setups steps. Okay. So many engineers, fresher, juniors, whoever not have an idea. For those engineers asked me, so definitely 100% I have supported also, and I have given the instructions to them. Okay, they did their job excellent. So that's why if I provide the live sessions, so lakhs of people can possible to see, understand. So this type of awareness channel, this type of skillful channel, this type of technical channel, very important biomedical engineering category, understand. So I want to increase the strength of the biomedical engineering, because of we have a excellent field, and that is related to the human technology. We have to protect our life. Yes, come on. So my see here, if not working, what steps, sir? So engineers are asked. See, because of see, nowadays engineers are doing their job excellent, but they are only focusing problem solving, because of that they have assigned the multiple calls, and company or hospital management, what their intention, continuously constantly need to provide the services. So that's why many engineers try to get the proper information from myself. Okay, now let me say, see here, if not working aspirator suction mission, check steps here. Now I'm going to read out now, first of all, point wise, one by one. Listen to carefully and try to keep in your mind. Here, see, here directly I'm giving points, means say we have studied very well in colleges, and college education life is different. But basic education is very important to survive the life. Okay. So whenever you completed the college life, then when you enter into the job life is completely different. Its responsibilities and so many things are there, and social responsibilities will be there, and so many things we have to face. That is the reason. If I see, I'm interacting means what? I'm creating the live sessions. Which purpose? Because of to create the professional path from engineering student to job life. In job life also, from lower category to top level category. Okay, from fresher to experienced engineer, I want to create the many engineers engage my live sessions. Okay, so that is my main intention. And if not working, then what are the steps you need to follow? I'm going to tell you. Listen carefully what I'm saying here. Come on. So first of all, not working means check power supply 230 voltage AC are coming or not. Okay. By using your multimeter. Multimeter purpose what? I have provided the 2 hour session in my YouTube channel. So once go to my channel, definitely will get a proper information. Okay. Next, check fuse. Because of so many times, so why these are problems coming? Because of electrical fluctuations may be happen in the hospital. Proper earthing will be not there. Okay. Proper phase neutral will not be there, and sometimes high voltages, sometimes low voltages. Understand? For technical part also, in this presentation I will show you. First of all, I will cover all basics, because of I'm covering focus freshers and engineers and all types of business. If engage, definitely will get more information. Right? Let me continue right now. Now, if not working, what's here? Second point, check fuse and check power cord and check switch. And fifth point, check capacitor. Sixth point, check motor. Seventh point, check tubing for leakage. And eighth point, check filter block. Next, ninth point, check jar and lid seal. And 10th point, check overflow valve. And 11th point, check vacuum gauge. Okay. So these are all things I'm giving instructions means. See, nowadays every engineer are busy, and so many engineers are may not have that much opportunity to repair the equipment. So that's why I face so many times I observe also secretly. I went facilities, so engineer what they are doing, so I observe there. So sir, I don't know sir, how can I do it sir, they are thinking. But that time I feel very sad. Understand? So that's why my intention what, every engineer should have a proper skill, every engineer should do perform, and every engineer should become a good position in your life. That's why today my ambition, I want to give the 1,000 less live sessions I'm going to give you, and 150 live sessions completed. Right? Come on. So these are the points. So please keep in your mind. If not working, check setups aspirator. Suction mission. See, in suction mission, make, model, anything you could take. These are the things are common. You have to check it all things whenever you get a complaint if not working. If not working, hospital people should not guide you, and anyone also not guide you, because of only your senior can guide you, because of he have experience in that area. And this is also which type of challenge subject in a biomedical engineering is the challengeable subject. Whenever you get a challenges, that is going to change the opportunity. When you get the opportunity, that time those skills are important. So that skills not possible to get it because of time taken process. So those skills I'm trying to give you here, because of positively my opinion, everyone should have a proper knowledge about the biomedical engineering services. Right, come on. So 12th point successfully I have completed, I hope. Yes. So here valid points only I'm going to share here, because of unnecessary points I'm not discuss here, because of time is very important for me, for everyone. Now come here. Now here I want to show you, see here, like see neonate pediatric adult suctions recommendations, see here. Understand? So suction missions also, types of suction missions I have said. And here in human being, what you know, pediatric, neonatal, adult. So three types of patients are there, and three types of patients purpose also we have to do the suctions. So for that suction purpose, what is the requirement? I will tell you. Come on, and I will show you in my presentation. See here, these are the practical information. So what I'm giving here, but I'm giving presentation means for your understanding purpose, I'm giving in this way. Right. Come on. So 13th point. See here. Come here. I'm going to zoom right now. Neonate pediatric adult suction recommendations I'm going to read out now. See here, I have given the picture also for understanding purpose. See, you should be a practical way thinking while doing your job. Then what to do, what not to do, they, because of your paying salary. Okay, company or my hospital, they're paying you salary, you have to do the work. For work purpose, I'm giving instructions, and try to keep in your mind, and try to be master in your work, and try to get a good salary in your life. Right? Come on. So 14th point, see here, I'm going to zoom right now. Neonate pediatric adult suction recommendations I'm going to read out now. See here, I have given the picture also for understanding purpose. See, you should be a practical way thinking while doing your job. Then what to do, what not to do, they, because of your paying salary. Okay, company or my hospital, they're paying you salary, you have to do the work. For work purpose, I'm giving instructions, and try to keep in your mind, and try to be master in your work, and try to get a good salary in your life. Right? Come on. And see here, neonate types here, 0 to 28 days, see here. Okay, suction means an aspirator. See here, neonatal. Neonatal means what? Infant. Neonatal, where is see here? Pediatric, see here, 0 to 28 days, neonatal we can say. Okay, so child, okay, neonatal child. See here, use low vacuum suction. Okay, 50 to 100 mmH and small size catheter 6 feet to 8 feet. Okay, and continuous suction not more than 5 to 10 seconds. You have to keep in your mind, because of you have to give the instructions to the hospital technicians and nursing staff. They may not have an idea, they are doing only suction. So sometimes but wrong handling, the patient will get damaged and baby sometimes get die also. Okay, so that's why very very important, every step is very very important. You have to follow the instructions what I'm saying here. Okay, if you do the biomedical engineering job, then you should be careful and nothing to worry. If you follow all instructions, then you will become a hero, then you will become a senior biomedical engineer, and every step your chances are there to grow your life, right? So neonatal, this one 0 to 28 days. Now come to the pediatric age. See here, understand? Is it clear right now? Is it clear? I'm telling you, see here, I'm talking means then you can listen my voice and you can understand. And pediatric steps, see here, aspirator 1 month, see here, 1 month to 12 years. Understand? 1 month to 12 years means pediatric type suctions. Use medium vacuum suction 100 to 150 mmH. Okay. Next, see here, catheter size 8 feet to 12 feet and intermittent suctions. So what are the variations? So if I'm saying, try to keep in your mind, because of these are the very very sensitive matters to do the services. As a biomedical engineer, you are not we are not provide the services like this, but we have to give the instructions to the like hospital technicians who are operating the medical equipment. Because of we have to give the proper advices and proper training. These all things very very important. That is the responsibility of the biomedical engineers. That's why I'm saying here. Okay, right, come on. Now pediatric is completed. Next come here, adult. Understand? So these are the modes of the suctions. Understand? So modes means neonatal mode and pediatric mode and adult mode. Okay, now come here, adult, about 12 years. See here, about 12 years means up to 100 years. Okay, see here, use high vacuum suction 150 to 250 mmH and catheter size 12 feet to 18 feet and intermediate suctions. Okay, always use the lowest effective vacuum. See, these all things why depend on modes. So we have to do these suctions. Why? Because of neonatal time, pediatric time, it is very very thin nest. Okay, very thin organs. It is a developing situations. That's why we should not give the proper high pressure. Okay, so that's why I hope you understand my topic right now. So this is what 13th point I have successfully completed. Okay, now come here. See here again, I'm saying, because of, see, in this my live sessions I'm covering only biomedical engineering service purpose. Whoever working as a biomedical engineers, to do your work, to repair the work purpose, what are the things you need to follow? Because of, as a biomedical, you have to repair the first of all things. Okay, immediately no, don't recommend to replace the parts, and don't recommend to new things. Understand? That's why we have to provide the services by using your technical skills. That is the important, those things only I'm going to give you, because of skills are very very important in biomedical engineering. Right, right, come on. So suction ranges I'm going to say, see here, and these are the points. See here, what I'm saying here, these are the points you have to face the interview also. Sometimes interview time also they will ask you, and that is why I'm going to share with you all. These all information is very very important in your biomedical engineering. Okay, so this is 1 to 2 hours means completely I'm giving full information. Why? Because of so many whoever interested, they want to know more complete information. That's why I have provided the complete informations. After engage my live sessions, after watch my live sessions, complete end of the session, try to visit and try to watch my session. Definitely you will get a clarify. Okay, so if you have any doubt, just give me comment in my live sessions. Definitely I will be there to support you by using my experiences. Right, come on. And 14th here, 14th point, aspirator suction mission. Suction mission ranges vacuum I'm going to show you, and these are the points very very important in your biomedical engineering service time. Right, and low vacuum, see here, low vacuum means what? 0 to 100 mmHg. Okay, please keep in your mind, because of these are the points very very important. Low, medium, high, maximum, these are the very very important, because of every suction mission have a mention there only. So low, minimum, maximum, depend on condition of the patient, depend on requirement, the doctor will decide how much give the pressure, because of the doctors have that much knowledge anatomy of the body, right? Because of their background of the doctor only. So see here, As a biomedical engineer, you have to focus on the technical cheese only. Whenever you get a complaint, then that your solution is what? You have to focus the work, and you have to catch the work, and you have to track the problem, and you have to diagnose the issues. Here, diagnosis process is the challengeable task. So many engineers are fail here only. Okay, so that's why if I provide these informations, if you follow these all instructions, definitely you will become a hero in your life. I'm not expecting anything. Only I'm giving instructions. Means every engineer should have a proper knowledge, and every engineer should have a great skills in your life, right? Now these are the see here: low vacuum 0 to 100 mmHg, and medium vacuum 100 to 150 mmHg, and high vacuum 150 to 250 mmHg. Okay, maximum vacuum 270 to 700 mmHg. Okay, so these are the different categories, different situations, different modes going to apply. Understand? Right, come on. Now 15th point, see here, which type of tubings are required? Understand? Is it visible right now? So is it visible or not? That is another matter, no problem, because of I'm going to say, and I'm going to show, give the presentation. So what I'm saying, please listen to carefully what I'm saying. Okay? Right, come on. So which type of tubing? See here, question. These all questions you have to raise in your mind. Nobody come to raise your mind. That's why everything you should be careful, and based on questions only, you can get a more information. You can get a practical knowledge, right? Yes, come on. And suction tubing, see here, which type of tubings? Okay, suction tubing, what? Medical grade silicone autoclavable. Okay, these are the very important, and these are things provided by the hospital management only. They will take care all things. And connectors here, PVC or medical grade, and catheter PVC or silicone. Okay, these are the very important, and ensure tubing is kink proof and thick wall. Okay, these are the very important. See, manufacturing that time suction machines tubings, if you found out. Okay, if you observe any time, suction machine tubings are very strong. Why? Because of that much pressure you have to handle, that much sucking also have to do by doing the functions. Yes. So these are the types of tubings. These all things you have to focus, because of, see, whenever you get a problem, get a complaint from the hospital. Okay, as a biomedical engineer, you are going to attend the call. So then you have to check one by one, and you have to find out the issues. If it is not under the scope of the services, then you have to inform to the hospital management. But these are all complete responsibility of the biomedical engineering. If anything problem, there what are the parts I have shown, like tubings, like pressure gauge, like switches, like fuse, like motor. Okay, whatever things, capacitors, and whatever things available inside of this aspirator suction machine, those things going to provide the services by the biomedical engineers, right? So that's why for your work purpose, I'm giving here valid information I'm sharing here, right? Now 16th point come here. These are the things, see, every point I'm going to discuss, and I'm going to give the presentations, because of it is going to record in my live sessions. Lifetime. So anyone globally can watch, and any country, any people, any state can watch, whoever interested about the biomedical engineer, right? Right, come on. And 16th point, see here, jars capacity, see here. Every point I'm going to share here, because of these are the very important. That's why I'm sharing here. Jars capacity, see here. Adult, see here. Adult mission, see here. Single jar 1000 ml to 2000 ml, and double jar 1000 ml into 2. Okay. And pediatric or portable 500 ml to 1000 ml, and neonatal or low flow 200 ml to 500 ml. These are the jars capacity. Okay. So these are the capacity. Why? See, because of based on motors. See, complete communication system will be available in this equipment. If you find out. Okay. First of all, see here motor. So motor related pressure related jars. Okay. So these are the very important. When you face the practical way, then only you come to know the value of the engineering services. Yes. Right. Let me continue right now. And 16th point, successfully completed about the aspirator. Yes, Seri White. Okay, thank you. Yes, thank you. Subscribe now. Now let me continue, because of today I bring it. My topic is aspirator suction mission. So pin to pin I'm going to explain here. I'm focusing all biomedical engineering students who are working as a biomedical engineering services. Now 16th point completed. See here, jars capacity I have explained. Now come here, biomedical engineers. 17th point I'm going to show you. See, these all preparations is long informations, and in which way I'm explaining and which way I'm giving informations, and try to catch my explanation way off. Okay, then proper notes is very very important. Point wise, I bring you. Okay, right? Come on, and like my session and subscribe now and share with your friends. Positive way, professional biomedical engineering channel. Now 17 points here I'm going to read out. Importance of filter. Okay. In suction mission, we have a filter. That is what is the importance of filter I'm going to say. Listen to carefully. I hope you are engaged in my live sessions right now. Yes? Right, come on. Let me say first of all, 17 points here, importance of filter. Biomedical engineers, listen to carefully. I'm giving all information for you all. Right, see here. Prevents contamination of pump of motor and protects environment from infection, and see here, a hyperphobic filter prevents fluid and bacteria from entering pump and replace filter regularly. Okay, because of filters, we have to check it regularly, and alternate days you have to check it, then immediately need to replace. Understand? So because of many chances are there to dust, because of regularly using and regularly dust removing and waste materials removing, continuous running. Okay, so in operation theater, some departments are not possible to go regularly, at least a weekly basis. Okay, weekend purpose, at once time visit and check it and give the instruction to the technician. They will check it. No need to go you as a biomedical engineer. Whenever they have a problem, lot of problem, major problem, then only biomedical should attend. That's why in that between you have to maintain the good communication with the hospital management. Then many chances to no need to go there. Okay, so that's why very good rapport, good face value is very very important. So for your every skill purpose, I'm going to give live sessions in my presentations. Definitely it is very very useful in your life. Right, come on, come to the point right now, my biomedical engineers who are viewers. Now come here. Why capacitor near motor in aspirator suction machine? Okay, so see, if you open the suction machine near motor side, one capacitor will be there. Understand? So capacitor what? 50 to 60 microfarads. Like depend on capacitor, because of depend on manufacturers, it is going to vary. Like 50 to 60, okay, 60 to 80. Like those are microfarads. Capacitors will be there because of capacitors. What? It is a storing electric storage devices, and it is going to start up also. Okay, so that's why here I'm going to give you why capacitor near motor, because so many engineers are sir, if remove the capacitor we can use, sir. What's the problem, sir? Motor is there, we are providing the AC, so 230 voltage coming, sir, so no need, I think, sir. They are asking like that. So that's why I want to give the priority of this motor, because of this is the very very important to know every biomedical engineer. Sometimes what happen, sometimes if you get a complaint, then sometimes motor not start up, then then you have to check it first of all capacitor condition by using the multimeter. So for example 50 to 60 microfarads will be there, for example. Okay, so mostly suction machines are 50 to 60 microfarads are there. That is the measurement of the capacitor. So that is why you have to check it all things one by one, pin to pin. Whenever you get a complaint, that's why I have given the instructions. Troubleshooting means what? Whenever you get a complaint, catch it, and why problem cause, okay, give the solution. Those are the things only I'm giving here in my live sessions. Right, come on. Why capacitor near motor? I'm going to tell you, and then you come to know this is a great opportunity to share your knowledge. Okay, right, come on. So I'm going to share capacitor near motor. Why? Provides high starting torque. Okay, so motor running purpose provides what? High starting purpose. It is very very important. Next, smooth motor start. Understand? Because of sometimes what happen, sometimes suction machines are getting sound and vibrations. That's why those are the if done the proper preventive maintenance, it will be clear. But sometimes what happen, if not done the PMS, then these are the problems will come, you have to face. Okay, right, come on. And smooth motor start and reduce sparking and maintain stable operations. For this purpose, capacitor we are going to use the near motor. Okay, right, come on. So whatever I'm giving instruction steps, those are the things, practical way, very very useful in your life. And when you are facing the problem, when you are doing the work, that time you may not have that much opportunity. That's why today I'm giving informations in this way. And sir, Ganesh sir is giving live sessions. At least keep in your mind, and whenever you face the problem in front of that medical equipment, then that time definitely you should think all things, and you should do all things what I'm saying. Okay, right, come on. So whenever you get a complaint, we cannot imagine also, because of this is the medical field. At any situations, patient will come. At any situations, problem will come. At any situations, electrical issues also come. Okay, so that's why everything you should be keep in your mind, whenever you get a complaint, then you have to be a capable. Okay, for your capable purpose, skill purpose, and providing informations, this is going to create the biggest platform in the society. As a citizen of the society, I want to give the awareness. Actually, I have completed state level regional manager, complete background biomedical engineering research, and now 18th point completed. Now come here, 19th point. I'm going to finish capacitor specifications. Okay, so capacitor for specifications I'm giving here only for knowledge purpose, but depend on manufacturer, depend on companies based make model basis, it is going to vary. Okay, now see here capacitor specifications, capacitor value, voltage rating, type C here. 10 microfarads to 25 microfarads. Simply I'm giving, and 450 VAC to MPP motor run capacitor. Okay. So depend on motor also, it is going to change the vary. That's why I'm not giving a particular because fixed specifications. This is only for sample example purpose. Based on the suction mission, I have given the specification. Okay. Right. In this my live session, sir, if you give the information, so what is the use, sir? If you question like that, so whenever you are doing job, then only you come to know the value of the biomedical services. These are the demand in the society. These are the informations not available in the society easily. Okay. Right. Come on. Now 20 point I want to tell you about the what? Like aspirator suction mission, right? 20 points here, voltage required to start up. Understand? So voltage, how much required specifications I'm going to tell you. And if you take any make model suction mission, these are the basic things, and try to keep in your mind. Okay, whenever you're going to check the mission, then these are the things. So first point, you have to give the first priority to the services, right? See, these all information I'm sharing as a biomedical engineer purpose, because of every presentation is very very important, and every point also it is going to helpful to resolve the issues. Okay, right, come on. Voltage required to start up, how much needed in aspirator suction mission. Standard AC power supply, see here, 220 to 240 voltage AC 50 Hz. Okay, this much voltages should come in the power supply. So first of all, that's why whenever you get a complaint, just remove the power socket. Then you have to check the power supply, how much coming, 230 voltage coming or not, and earth below 5 should be there, that is available or not. If you found any mistakes, any variations, okay, high also, low also, you have to highlight the point to the management. Sir, I have checked this point, sir. These are the problems I found it as a biomedical engineering. They immediately need to replace, otherwise you will get a complaint regularly. Then patients will be hampering. Okay, cases are hampering that time patient not that time equipment not able to use continuously. So definitely they will come to understand. They will give the proper solution. Yes. So as a responsibility of the biomedical engineer, you have to do this one whenever you find the complaint. Now come here. Motor start voltage, see here 190 to 240 AC, and see here if voltage, understand, less than 180. Okay, we face in the operation theater, first of all, because in operation theater lots of power supplies are there, that they are using extensions. Understand? So extension connections, what happen sometimes, their proper voltage is not reaching and proper current also not reaching. So that's why don't recommend this type of critical equipments. You have to connect the three phase connectors. Okay, three phase points, phase, neutral, earth, 3 points should be there. Okay, what are the things I will tell you, and internal parts of the aspirator also I'm going to show you, then you can understand if I show you giving the presentation. Okay, so these are the what, these are the causes of the what, 20 point voltage required to start up. Okay, sometimes low voltage also motor not getting on, then you have to check it here. You have to think in a technical way. Engineer, okay, we are the biomedical engineers. Now 20 points here successfully completed. So these all points I'm going to finish right now. Understand? So every point I'm going to tell you, because of every point is very very important in your life. Now come here. Why few motors burn out? Okay. So what are the points I'm going to say? Because of these are the problems we face in the real life time. So that's what I'm going to share here. These are the valid information I'm going to share with you all right now. Okay. Now come here. Biomedical engineers. These are the practical knowledge what I'm sharing here. Why few times motor burnout? Okay, so why, I'm going to tell you, listen to carefully and keep note down in your book, and keep note down in your mind what I'm saying here, right? Come on. So why few times motor burnout? Number one point, overheating due to continuous use. So it is the basic thing. Okay, it is acceptable. Okay, because of continuous in operation theater, in mostly continuous using where delivery areas and operation theater mostly using, and ICUs. Okay, floors wards they are not using that much time, regularly very less time when compared to the operation theater. Now see here, first point what, overheating due to the continuous. Okay, acceptable. And because of to use the equipment, that is the purpose of the equipment, yes or no? So low or no oil in pump, understand? So sometimes what happen in every motor, some oil will be there. Okay, 2T oil. Okay, 2T oil is there, that is name 2T oil, that is available in the local area also. So we can get it and we have to check it all things. So while doing the preventive maintenance, then we have to check it. Okay, so that's why alternate days or weekly basis you have to check the suction missiles. So because of these are the very very important and regular using, and low oil also maybe chances are there. Okay, sometimes what happen, sometimes pressure also not that much coming. High pressure needed, but high pressure not reachable, and low pressure is coming sometimes, that is also not coming, sound coming key like. Okay, so then you have to use the brain. Okay, don't use again and again. Okay, don't use the again and again motor, it will be chances to burn out, understand? Because of without oil definitely it is getting, because of, for example, if give without oil we give the electrical voltages, then what will happen? Definitely it is get damaged, hot, right? As the blocked filter overload, understand? This is also one of the chances why motor burnout, understand? Because of, see, as a biomedical engineers we provide the services, that's good thing. Okay, we did our job excellent, but why problems are coming, why need to take care, why need the precautions? Precautions are the very very important. To prevention is better than cure. Okay, so that's why before getting the problem, if you follow the instructions, that problem may not rise in future. Okay, that's why I'm saying here, why burnout, these are the reasons you have to find out, you have to keep in your mind. Okay, as a biomedical engineers. Now low voltage operations and wrong capacitor, okay, and poor ventilation and water or fluid entry into the motor, these are the chances to burnout. Okay, just because of whenever you get a complaint for suction mission, okay sir, burnout sir, then think like that, but why happen? You have to check one by one by your diagnosis, you have to confirm. If it is anything you found out, okay, then you have to give the information to the hospital management. Because of hospitals always they are not giving complaint. If your biomedical engineering is excellent, definitely he will give the complaint to back. Means everything good positive way only, what I'm saying here. Okay, because a complete responsibility of the biomedical engineer purpose, so every pin to pin you have to keep in your mind, right? Now 22.23 points see here, power cord quality see here. These are the points why, because of these are the points you have to keep in your mind as a biomedical engineer. Any situations, any point will come to face in your life, right? Now see here 22 point, power cord quality see here. Use 3-core medical grade power cord. Okay, it's very very important. I recommend. And how do you find out 3-core? Their mention will be there. Okay, when you see the power cord, then you come to know normal power cord means that is going to heat, and that is going to affect the motor also, and fuses will get blast also. So many things are there. Okay, that's why small mistakes are giving biggest problems. That's why if you take precautions, small problems, small precautions, definitely at the end of the day you will become a master in biomedical engineering. Okay, right, come on. And copper conductor minimum 0.75 to 1 square meter, and good insulation heavy duty cord, and with ISA approved plug. Okay, so these are the very very important. And what are the power cords and what are the plug tops, everything I will tell you, I will show you in this presentation. Let me finish right now this slide. After second slide I'm going to show you more than this valuable informations. Okay, right? Even senior engineers also very very important informations I'm going to tell you, what I'm giving instructions upcoming now, right? Come on. And whoever new person, please subscribe now, my dear engineers, positively. These are the professional informations I'm going to give you. And now see here, if low pressure, then what to do? Understand? Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. If low pressure, these are the, see, sir, today I'm doing my duty, sir. I don't have any problem, sir. Don't be like that. Understand? Every day we have to learn. We are the learners. If you don't know anything, that is not a problem. My way of thinking. Okay, engineers, listen to carefully. I'm talking with you all. This is the biggest platform. What I'm giving informations, I'm going to dedicate my valuable contributions to everyone life. Today I'm doing my duty. Today Sunday also I'm coming here, means you have to understand my concept. Understand? So that's why see here, these all informations I'm sharing here. Please try to keep in your mind. Come to the point right now. That is aspirator. Now we are discussing about what? Aspirator suction machine. 24th point, see here, if low pressure, then what to do? Aspirator, okay? And different situations, different situations, based on situations, in my experiences, that is only every point I'm going to explain in my presentation, right? Right, come on. If low pressure, then what to do, sir? Then do as what I say. Listen to carefully what I'm saying, and check filter, cleaner, replace. Okay, when low pressure, and check tubing for leakages, and check lid and gasket seal, and empty jar. Do not overfill, and check pump oil level, and check if overflow valve is working, check for cracks in jar for tubing. Okay, if you low pressure, then what to do? These are the things follow, and you have to do all things, because of by observing these all things, by doing these all things, small mistakes, within less time you can resolve the issues, then you can many chances to give the handover into working condition. Okay, right, then you will get appreciations from the hospital. 24 point completed. So these are the points I'm going to explain, and every point I will tell you, because of based on the priorities I'm going to show you, and I'm going to tell, right? Now come here. So these all presentations, so single time if I show you, then you may not understand, but here in my presentation what I'm sharing here, as a practically I'm showing here, you have to imagine, sir, Ganesh sir available in front of me, so he's advised me, like you have to think seriously, right? Come on, because of today you are the learner, tomorrow you are the trainer, if you focus in your life. Right, come on. 25th point, see here, aspirator, suction machine. After pour the oil into the motor, and how function. That is very, very important, please. Okay. Now see here. Oil lubricates the pump, varies and bearings, and reduce friction, maintains vacuum efficiency, and prevents overheating. This is the importance of oil. Understand? So that's why oil, see, some suction machines required 1 liter, 1 point liter, some suctions more, depend on motor only, that is going to power the oil. Okay, right. So this is the important point I have saved here. I hope you got it. Now 25 points I have successfully completed about the aspirator suction mission. Now 26th point, see, we will go one by one. See, understand here what I'm giving is these all information, sir. I'm giving me, see, I try to interact with you all engineers, because of this is the proper presentation is very, very important. By engage my live sessions, if you get a proper skills, you if you implement in your life, yes sir, by engage your live sessions today I'm capable, sir. Thank you so much, sir. If you think like that, that much situation come, definitely I am the biggest achievement in my life, right? Definitely I hope lots of engineers are there, very interested people are there in the society, I have found, because of under me only 10 hundreds engineers are there. So everyone is successors. That's why if you provide the valuable information, very, very useful in your life. Right now, let me continue, come to the point. One more topic I want to show you, how motor look like here. Actually, see, these are the internal parts. Internal parts also I will tell you, because of inside part of electrical electronic parts also I will show you in this presentation. See, in this next slide only, because of here 30 to 35 points, so 40 points are there. So now almost we have completed. Now let me continue. Now come to the 27th point, motor function with level parts. I want to show you for your example, okay? Because mostly engineers are not ready to open the motor and suction, because of it is a physical potential matter. Okay, but this is the physical work we have to do like a labor. Okay, we are the engineers, we have to serve as a biomedical, because of we have to open all things and hand glove hand completely services. So now let me say motor functions with level parts how look like. For your knowledge purpose, I'm going to share you, it is very, very clear information. So what are the things I'm going to share here? Okay, so these are the motor how look like. Motor, see here, maximum motor how look like, see here, and what are the parts are there. See, I'm going to show you what are the level part here. This is the capacitor, see here, level part. Okay, I'm talking about what motor which is available inside of the aspirator suction machine. Their motor how look like, I'm going to show you, and I'm going to give the proper information for your confirmation, right? Come on, now capacitor, see here, this is the capacitor, and bearings here. So these all things you cannot find out by completely by directly. If you see the suction machine, that is not possible, you have to open all things. And if you open the equipment, then what will be there I will tell you right now. Okay, now first of all come to the point, motor, rotor, stator, and stator, see here, and base are mounting this one. Okay, these are available inside of the suction machine only. And inlet port, see here, and exhaust port and pump head and vans and oil chamber and oil sight glass. See, these are the very important things what I'm going to say here for your knowledge purpose. If you know these skills, then definitely you can perform your work and you can provide the services. Okay, because of I'm giving lot of information, a lot of experiences. One idea can change your life, but I'm giving here lot of ideas, right? Come on. Now motor details I'm going to tell you. See here, now till now, see 28th point, come to the point. Motor details and pressures of the aspirator, suction machine motor. What are the things are there? Motor type, see here, oil sealed piston pump. Understand, this is the very important. Why? Because of how to give provide the pressure. So pressure where will rise, where will generate. So here only in motor only, motor only will provide the pressure. Okay, so that's why here generate the pressure from here only, from here to where? Filter to pressure gauge to jars. Okay, jars to patient chamber. Okay, patient connection by using catheter, we have to use the suctions. So these are the very important, but these are the very easy function, but these are the very important to take care about our work. Okay, that's why if a suction machine not working means that doctor will getting suffer and panic also. Doctor also panic because of something stuck means that is going to mistake, that is going to problem, that is going to blockage also. Then major problems will create. That's why immediately, instantly, we have to suction the waste materials, what is mucus and blood, whatever thing, depend condition of the depend situation of the procedures, right? And power, see here, 1/4 C HP and 1 HP depending on model. Okay, so HP is what? High power. Okay, next RPM, see here, 1400 RPM. Okay, RPM is what? Rotation per minute. Okay, so 1400 means how much speed is running. That is also very important. Those are definitely make manufacturer basis, it is going to vary. Okay, so because of depend on specification only, that is going to expensive, right? Come on. Next, ultimate vacuums here, 650 to 700 mmHg. Okay, mostly 650 to 700 is the common thing, and keep in your mind. So these motors are, these are very important. You have to keep in your mind as a biomedical engineer, because of you have to know the proper specifications, because of whenever you get a complaint at that time, that much pressure, how much coming or not. So for that purpose, that skills you should have, and those skills I'm giving information for your knowledge purpose. For the based on skills, you can do the services. Come on. Free airflow, see here, 20 to 60 LPM model based, and noise level 45 to 65 dB decibel. Okay, measurements of sound, what? Decibel. So noise level. Okay, now this is the motor details of the details and pressure of the aspirator. I hope you got it very clear right now. See here, my intention, every point pin to pin technical experience guide I'm giving here. That's why master class I'm saying daily 9 p.m. I will come different topics, and whoever engage my sessions, definitely you will get a fruitful knowledge. By using these skills, you can do your job and you can resolve the many issues, and you will get a good salary also. So for everything purpose, I'm going to support here with positive mind, and give me comment in a positive way also. Okay, right? Come on. Now come here, 29th point of the aspirator. See here, every experiences I bring it for you point wise. Now 29th point, which is better. Okay, here very important. See here, suction machines, which is better. Equipment advantages and disadvantages I'm going to tell you. And equipment, I'm going to see heavy duty, high capacitor, and low capacitor, low duty. Here I'm going to variations of the advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so heavy duty, if you take high capacity, high vacuum, long life, suitable for ICU OT, and can run long time. Okay, so these are things we should know as a biomedical, because of so many suctions are using in sometime labor room, sometime operation theater, but those suction machines, so we are getting complaint regularly, because of those are not heavy duty. Okay, those are low duty motors. So that's why that much load not sufficient to do the performance. So understand, so that's why whenever you find out, that time you have to give the advice to the hospital management. Sir, madam, this is the low duty, but in operation theater that is not possible to use continuously, please change it. You have to give the recommend, otherwise repeatedly will come. And if repeatedly come means what? They will point out your services. Yes, biomedical engineer, why it is regularly coming, you are not provide the service properly. So they will ask you. That's why if you give the proper information, they will come to know the value, because of every engineer should have a technical skills. They have trust, the trust biomedical engineer, because of they have studied about the category of the biomedical engineer purpose. Definitely engineer have a skill, so they will come to know, and they will come to follow the instructions for what we are doing. Okay, so that's why if anything you found out, please don't keep in your mind and listen to carefully. Now here advantages here: heavy duty time. These are the see what high vacuum, long life, and suitable for ICU, OT, and can run long time. Okay. Next disadvantage is what? Costly, heavyweight, and more space. So these are the common thing. You see, if benefit advantages is more, then disadvantages we have to ignore. Okay, because costly is because of that much medical equipment. Definitely, because of by doing this, by using this medical equipment, we can do many functions. So that's why very important. Okay. Now come to the low capacity light duties here. My dear, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Portable, low noise, low power, low cost. Okay, low. Okay, this is a very rare conditions, because that is the important. Depend on requirement. Every equipment available in the local market. Different lot of companies are there globally. We can get online, offline also, right? And lower vacuum, see here at disadvantage, not for long use and short life. That is the important. See here, heavy duty, low duty, that is the difference between, understand? Because of heavy duty is long time, lower duty is whenever getting a power supply fluctuations sometimes, then many chances to damage. Because why I'm saying here, because a lot of complaints I attended, I have faced the problem, we resolve the issues as a technical biomedical engineer. That's why today I'm capable, and today I'm ready to give you all information whichever I'm providing here. Information definitely in your practical life, very important and very useful in your life, right? Come on, I hope you understand my points. Subscribe now, my dear engineers who are engaged right now. So these all points, yeah, these all points I'm going to explain, because of, see, if I show you simply like yes, this is the suction mission, if I show you means, then you may not understand. That's why I'm talking very clearly and explaining clearly, because of with your friendly biomedical engineer purpose, I'm giving the proper information to implement in your work area, and to do finish your job. Okay. So actually, as a state regional manager, my work is this one only. I have to give the instructions to the biomedical engineer whoever have a problem, because of ultimately everyone should do the performance, because our target is 100% target. Okay. Now come here, 30th points here. Preventive maintenance PMS checklist. Yes, I hope you are getting right now. Daily before use. See here, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Listen to carefully. Preventive maintenance PMS checklist, see here, and every engineer should know, because of, see, preventive maintenance means every equipment have a specific unique points to do the preventive maintenance, not only stickering the equipment. Okay, stickering not only so many areas they are doing, but that is not a proper way. So what I'm saying here, try to follow what I'm thinking, okay, practical way, because of we have to maintain the good reliability of the services and every medical equipment. So that's why I'm giving you all information. Okay, right, come on. So daily or before use, weekly, what needed, see. And these are things biomedical engineer have to do, and these are the things very important for every biomedical engineer. These all points, so you have to do at the same time, you have to give the instructions to the hospital technicians. Understand? Have you got my point right now? Understand? See, these are skills. If you have, if you share the technician, then here 50% no need to do with your hands. Understand? But by using technically and good facial and good communications, and based on experiences, and try to do work with hard work, with smartly. Okay, do the hard work with smartly, right? Come on. And daily or before use, weekly, what to do, what not to do, I'm going to tell you. Listen to carefully. Let me say what I'm saying, and keep watch my channel right now. Okay, right, come on. Preventive maintenance PM checklist to number 1, check vacuum level. Okay, preventive maintenance PM checklist number 2, check jar and lid. Number 3, check tube and catheter. Next, number 4, check filter. Number 5, check power cord. Next, weekly basis, what you have to do? These are the daily basis. And weekly basis, see here, clean jar with disinfectant, and check overflow protection, and check for air leakages. Okay, these are the things regularly no need to do as a biomedical engineer. But if you give the instructions, definitely their hospital department, there whoever use the equipment, they will do, and they will clean the all things. Okay, right, by the hospital management. And monthly, what to do? See here, monthly aspirator PMS checklist. See here, check motor and pump oil level, and check capacitor, check fuse and check all connections. These are the very very important. Because why I am saying, because of before getting any complaint, before getting any damages, if you follow the preventive maintenance in this way, then your equipment long time come, longevity will come, definitely your performance is going to be excellent. Right, come on. Now see here, 6 month, sixth monthly, okay, means half yearly or annually, okay. 6 months is what? In a year 12 months will be there, yes or no? So 6 months means half yearly. So half yearly or annually, what have to check it as a biomedical engineers? Replace filter and change oil and calibrate vacuum gauge and electrical safety test. So these are the half yearly or annually. But whenever you get a problem, then you have to check all things. And regular checking purpose, I have given the instructions, troubleshootings, what are the things needed as a biomedical engineering, and try to do all things. And whenever you have a complaint, then keep watch my sessions and give me comment in my live sessions. Sir, I am a biomedical engineer, sir. I am in front of the mission, sir. I don't have any idea, sir, but I have to finish the call, sir. What to do, sir? Can I do it, sir? Can you supply? Can you advise me, sir? Like that, come give me comment. Definitely, I will be there to support you. If it is possible, I will give the comment. Otherwise, I will make a session another day, right? For your doubt. Now come here, come to the point right now. Now till now, whatever I have shared the information, those are the very very important, and single day not possible to get it all things. And my 18 years of experiences, every designations I have crossed over, every problem I have attended and resolved the issues. So those experiences I got in my life, right? So I am also one of the biomedical engineering in the society. So many engineers are there, and so many experienced people are also there. But so many engineers are not ready to give the presentation in this way. But every depend on their attitude, depend on their way of thinking. Yes. So come here. I'm unique person in the society and try to engage my live sessions. What I'm giving here, because of for this knowledge purpose, study time, college time, we paid lot of money. For college purpose, 12 to 20 lakhs we have paid, and training purpose we have paid so many money, and that is the power of the skills. So everything I paid, but today I'm very happy because of today I'm getting that much salary, high power capability levels. Understand? So nothing is permanent in our life, nothing is temporary in our life, and try to journey. Okay. So to flow our life, to flow the life journey purpose, everything you have to learn and have to get promotions, and every companies we have to do work, and we have to run our life, right? Okay. Right. Come on. As a biomedical engineer, listen to carefully. Calibration of vacuum package. I'm going to tell you, these are the very very important. These are the very rare problem. Whenever you face the problem, then you come to know you have to provide the services as a biomedical engineers. Okay. Right. Come on. Let me say calibrations of vacuum page. What are the things are there? Point wise, I'm going to say. I'm going to tell you. And in this here, whatever visibility in this presentations here, this is the pressure gauge, right? So pressure gauge, this one see here. So depend on suction machines, that is going to change this pressure gauges. Sometimes see here 0 to how much, like 500, 400, 700. Depend on specifications, it is going to vary. Okay. So that's why different types of suctions available in the market. So whatever needed as per requirement, that you have to take the instructions from the biomedical engineers. And that's why if you have this proper skills, whoever may ask you, then you should be clarity, you can give the advices. Okay, that is the power of the biomedical engineers, right? Now calibrations of vacuum case, see here. Number 1 point, connect the machine and set regulator to maximum and check vacuum with standard vacuum calibrator, and acceptable error plus or minus 10. Okay, 10%. And if error more, calibrate or replace gauge. So these are the not have a regular problem, but whenever you do the preventive maintenance or calibration time, those are the things my chances to find out. That is the great opportunity to replace the things. Okay. So that's why whenever you get a complaint from the hospital, then only do the work, means that is not enough to survive in biomedical engineering. Okay. Before catch the point, before collect the complaint, and before find out the issues, and before resolve the issues. And every time try to be instant service provider. Definitely at the end of the day, you will be the best performance. So these all points going to biomedical engineers who were working as a biomedical engineers, right? Now successfully 31 points completed about the aspirator suction mission. Now come here, 32 point as a biomedical engineers, what need to follow, I want to tell you. Please listen to carefully, right? Individually, I'm going to share with you all, because of this is I'm going to record, and whoever not able to join in this live session, nothing to worry. Okay. It is going to record in my live sessions. I will save in my playlist. Very content available. Okay, right? Come on. Let me finish this topic because of one more slide I have to explain here. Right now, as a biomedical engineer, follow see here. Patient safety first and follow manufacturer guidelines and use genuine spares and maintain records and regular PMS and calibrations and electrical safety compliance and infection control and train end users. See, these all things. So this is actually suction machine is the non-critical equipment and this is the minor equipment also when compared to the ventilator. So yes, but suction machine because of see depend on situation. Every equipment is going to high priority. Sometimes small equipment also it is the first priority because of dependent condition of the patient. It is going to apply, right? Right. Come on. So as a biomedical engineer, follow these are the points you have to keep in your mind whenever you following the instructions. Definitely, you will become a master in biomedical engineering. At the end of the day, you will be the senior biomedical engineer. Everybody recognize you. Understand? Here in biomedical, nobody thankful for us by doing your duty, by doing your work. We have to be thankful to everyone, right? Come on. And advantages see here. Advantages I want to tell you. See, easy to use and save life, portable models available and high efficiency, useful in many departments and improve patients' outcomes. So this is what needed, yes or no? So these are the advantages and not see disadvantages also I want to tell you because of as a biomedical engineer, positive negative points you have to know because of whenever getting a negative point that is problem, then you should be awareness and you have to find out the issues and you have to resolve the issues. That's why I'm giving both points. Now come here, disadvantages of the aspirator suction machine. Noise, see here, high flow models and requires regular maintenance and filter cost and overuse may cause trauma and fluid overflow risk. This is the disadvantages of the suction machine. These are the very rare conditions. These are the problems, but this is also how to consider, right? Now come here, 35th point. This is I think in this slide presentation of this aspirator, this is the last point and this is not at the last. Okay, still I have one more slide presentation that is inside technical view of the suction machine. So every point is why I'm giving because of I'm focusing for freshers, I'm focusing for engineers, I'm focusing for students, I'm focusing for technical students, I'm focusing for service providers. Okay, so in single session, multiple informations chances to know, right? Let me continue right now. See here, biomedical engineers, listen to carefully what I'm saying here and try to take it seriously because of life is very, very important and to live your life, right? And here, see one real hospital experience. Till now, what I have said, these are all are real-time hospital experiences. But here, what are the real situations in a hospital area? I'm going to tell you. Listen to carefully right now. Okay, right? Come on. Now see at real hospital experience applications see here in ICU. First of all, I will take category wise. In ICU, see here, airway suction is done frequently for ventilated patients. Okay, and operation theater essential during all surgeries for all clear visibilities. These are the very very important. These are the important why because of in hospital how use the suction machine, where to use the suction machines. Those are the things I'm going to show you and I'm going to give you very clear points. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Okay. See here. In operation theater, see here, essential during all surgeries for clear visibility. And in emergency, immediate airway clearance during trauma. And in NICU, low vacuum suction used to protect the delicate neonates. In ENT, for sinus, nasal, and ear suction. And in dental, remove saliva and maintain dry feel. And regular PMS reduce breakdown and increases mission life. So when I am saying these all points, then you have to understand suction machine is using every department. 99% using in every department, hospitals, whatever available in the hospital. Okay, so ICUs, OT, next to like dental also. Okay, suction purpose because of waste materials cleaning and everything. So these are the things very very important. That's why I'm saying here today I have selected this information, sir, to give you. Okay, these are the regular problems. So we are facing problems and we are receiving the complaint from the hospital management and assign the engineer and so many engineers are attended and resolve the issues. So that's why whoever may not have an idea, definitely this live sessions definitely is going to helpful in your life, right? Yes, I hope you got it very clear right now, my dear engineers. So this is the basic informations of the aspirator, that is suction mission. Definitely you will get a proper confirmations and clarifications and great skills about the equipment. Okay, now come here. Now see here, not always follow infection control practice. Use sterile disposal. Okay, catheter replace filter regularly. Never run mission without oil. Always test before use. These are the important. See, whatever I'm giving instructions, precautions is very very important, and every point is important to do your services as a biomedical engineers. Because of whenever you are doing your duty, that time nobody available in front of your in front of you, because of this is a healthcare service provider. So that is the reason, because of individual performance should be there. Understand? If you are my opinion, what every engineer should be a perform individually, right? So this slide presentation successfully I have completed. Let me go one more slide presentation, that is inside part of the aspirator and suction mission. Those parts are very very important to the every biomedical engineering, whoever working as a service provider, right? Come on, let me go right now and try to engage with me, and let me finish all things. Okay, come on, my dear engineering students, and be active, proactive. Good patience is important. Good learning is important in our life, because of we are the learners. And today I am also learning. I want to give the proper information by using my experiences. Right? Come on. Now next slide I am going to show you. See here. See, these are the very valid important points. So if I give the instructions, if you follow all things, so definitely well, at the end of the sessions, whoever engaged, whoever interested, whoever watched my sessions, definitely you come to know the value of the aspirator success and medical internal views. Okay, see here. Here, that's why I'm saying here, every medical equipment manufactured based on what? Electrical electronic component. These are the first priority. Next, depend on condition of the equipment, depend on equipment, it is going to apply different parts inside of the equipment. Okay, now let me show you. See here, every pin to pin point I'm going to show you, because of these are the very very important to know as a biomedical engineering, and these are the points I'm going to finish. After finish this is going to end this session. Okay, let me continue right now, and whoever engaged, please subscribe now, and whoever have doubt, just give me comment in my live sessions. Right, come on, let me start now. Now we are going to enter into the inside part of the aspirator. Okay, actually in a practical way we cannot meet each one. That's why I'm giving the presentation here, then you come to know. And whoever interested about the biomedical services, definitely try to attend every call. Okay, because of see, every complaint you are going to attend means that is not a complaint, that is one of the opportunity to learn skills and to practice skills and to implement your knowledge. That is the one of the part in your career. Okay, so if you know this one, that's why if you share my live sessions, if you engage my live sessions, just one day you have to get the informations, and one day next you have to practice, and next day you have to practice, and okay, and next day you have to implement, and next day you have to provide the services, and ultimately you have to give the proper services on medical equipment, and hand over to the working condition. That is the responsibility of the biomedical engineering. That's why I'm giving here what are the important things I'm going to share here. Those information is very very helpful in your career. Right, come on, let me say. And what I'm giving here presentation, listen to carefully what I'm saying here. Okay, come to the point right now, focus clearly, very clearly right now. Come on. And aspirator suction mission, see here, electrical and electronic parts labeled with accessories. See here, for label parts I'm giving, because of label parts, if I make you understand, because whenever you see the presentation, then you come to know without my listening my voice also, it is very very interesting topic. Yes, so that's why I'm giving directly spoon feeding for you all engineers, and whoever interested, definitely you will get a practice engage my live sessions. Right, come on. What are the main parts I want to tell you, because of these are the things, whenever you get a problem, then you have to know and you have to replace the parts. Right, yes, come on. Main parts here internally, see here, vacuum gauge. Okay, this is the complete overview I have explained here. Okay, starting time only, that's why every point what I have explained here, those are the important, and try to keep in your mind, because of whenever you get a major problem, then you have to be practiced where within fraction of minutes you have to finish the, you have to check the problem, you have to resolve the issue. So that is the difference between senior biomedical engineer and junior biomedical engineer. That is the difference between both engineers. That is the only skills are varied, that's why high salaries are different. Yes, yes. So that's why if you focus on skills, salary is not a matter for everyone. Yes, but because when you have a skills, every day you will get a opportunity. That whenever you get a opportunity, that time you should be capable. That is my intention. I'm giving here. Right, come to the point right now. Internal electrical components, what are that there? See, I'm going to tell you. See here, I'm going to zoom here very clearly. Let me finish right now. Let me engage right now because the important point I'm going to share here. Education part is very important and should be careful. Right? Come on. Now we are talking what aspirator suction machine. Okay. So internal electrical electronic parts I want to show you, and which is visibility. See here in front of my presentation. See here, whenever you watch my presentation, then you can find out. See here, internal electrical electronic parts. See every label part I'm going to show you because see these are the parts are common in any medical equipment. Okay, any suction machine, these are the common make, model, manufacture, anything. If you take, these are the main basic parts. Understand? But sometimes what happen, motor will be changed, and like boards components are different because of so many types of electronic components available in the society and market also. So that's why you should be perfect before touch the equipment. Instead of the equipment, then you should be perfect. Electrical, electronic, those are the subjects available in your qualifications. That's why education is the basic important. That's why basic important, you should be careful. Right? Right. Now here what I'm giving instructions, those are things what, those are the things not comparable to your college, right? These are completely practical knowledge and job life, and these are the complete informations required and necessary to all biomedical engineer to provide the services, right? Let me say, let me show you, try to engage my sessions and subscribe now. Come on. Yes, like my channel, subscribe now, because of I'm giving that much great efforts. For that purpose, I'm expecting only one like and subscribe. That is very important. Okay, and try to share with your friends. Let me show you right now. Come to the point right now. Aspirator and suction machine. Number 1 point. See here, label parts. I'm going to show here. See here. This is the small part. See, for equipment function purpose, how many parts are there inside? See here. So that's why if you follow these all things, see, whenever you want to become a specialist, whenever you want to perform successfully, then you have to follow, because of whenever we get a problem, we cannot imagine also. So that's why depend on complaint, you have to decide, you have to resolve the issues. Okay, without waste of your time, try to engage. Now first point, vacuum pump. See here, piston type here, and AC motor. See here, how look like, I'm going to show here, and what are the parts are there, then you have to keep in your mind, because of these are the points to replace and to diagnose the issues, to find out the issues purpose. These are the points, as a technical way you have to know, right? As a technical biomedical, you have to follow the terminals of the technology. Now motor capacity. See here, third point here. See here, only what is what I am going to show you. Understand? These are the less opportunity, because of in hospital area not possible to open all things, because of always missions are engaged with patients to provide the treatment, to diagnose the issues of the patient. So that's why equipments are not having free. Okay, so that's why always we should keep busier, but that is the very mistake, disadvantage of engineer, because of whoever learners. So that much opportunity should have. Understand? But in nowadays what happened, technical development and every hospital companies are very busy. So that is the reason I'm coming here and I'm giving live sessions, because of completely with patients, 1 to 2 hours I'm going to give live sessions. So those are the very important in our life, right? Yes, come on. So now here, see here, internal view, electronics. See here, pressure switch here, 4C. Fourth point, see here. So it is visible right now, my dear engineers. Listen carefully what I'm saying here. Because of it is visible, it is audible also, because of my intention is every information I want to give you in this my live sessions. Yes, thank you. Right, come on. And fourth point, pressure switch, how look like, just catch the point. Next, fuse holder. And see, these are the points I'm giving me. So what is the function, how it works, what will do. So those are things, by doing the work, and whenever you have a availability, understand, whenever possible, then try to open all medical equipment. Before open the equipment, then you have to inform to the hospital department. Okay, so we have to, then they will come to understand, and they will not take the patient. Okay, right, come on. Now fifth point here, my dear engineers, fuse holder. Next, sixth point, see, I'm going to say what are the label parts here when you open the equipment, that is aspirator. Then inside the part, you look like, see here. Now sixth point here, power socket. Seventh point, PCBR control board if available. Okay. Next, eighth point, wiring harness. See, if you take any medical equipment, definitely wiring will be there, because of it is the great communication, one part to one part communications will be there. So that's why if you check the one medical equipment, teamwork will be there. That's why every engineer should maintain teamwork. Why I'm saying? Because of one engineer can do one thing, one engineer can do one another thing. Okay. So that's why I can do something, you can do something, but together we can do many things. So this is the formula of the biomedical engineer teamwork. So that's why everyone should have follow, because of the today you are a biomedical engineer, tomorrow you will become a team leader. So that time these are the very important to lead your team. Yes. So that's why skill is everyone. Skill is belongs to everyone. Every engineer should learn, educate, because of life save is important. Right? Come to the point right now. What I'm saying here. And vacuum 8 points here. Wiring harness. Okay. Next, ninth point, vacuum regulator mechanism, and 10th point, solenoid valve be available. Okay. First of all, whenever you going to service the services, then if you found major issue, okay, so at any time that open the equipment, then you have to take the photo first of all. Understand? For your understand purpose personally. So take it photo, what are the things are there, and try to analyze and try to get the information. So this is the internal exercise in your way. Okay. Every engineer, if you want to become a specialist, if you engage my live sessions, okay. So if you engage my live sessions, sir, I'm engaging Ganesh sir live sessions, sir. He's the top level category person, sir. So today I can do anything. So if you think, if you say like that, nobody accept you, because of I have experience in my 18 years of experience means, as a biomedical engineer, I have faced the problem and I have struggled a lot of things. That time nobody there to support me. Because of that is the responsibility as a basic point how to do as a biomedical engineer, right? So because of that is why not easy to get it all things. You have to practice a lot, and whatever you want to get it, definitely you have to practice. You have to keep efforts in a possible way. Okay, if you keep your efforts in a possible way, whatever you want to get it, definitely at the end of the day you will become a success. Understand? Success is different way, depend on your ambition. Right? Come to the point right now. I want to show you. Let me finish right now. Now we are talking what about aspirator suction mission only. In between, I am giving reminder. Why? Because of I am giving information. Whoever engage in between, some new engineers, they come to know what I am going to discuss. Right? Come on. And nothing to worry, whoever not able to join, because of this is all thing I'm going to record in my live session. So whoever not understand, then multiple time try to watch, up to understand. Okay, still if you not understand, then give me comment in my live session. Definitely I will be there to support you. Right? Come on, let me finish. Keep watch my channel right now. Let me continue. Few points are there to finish about this topic, right? Because of I have completely unique person, because of I want to finish what I have decided, what I want to bring it, and what I want to give the information. Those are things I want to give you information. Okay, right? Come on. Now vacuum pump exploded view. See here. It is visible right now. It is visible right now, my dear engineers. See, these all things. So today, why I am capable? Because of once upon a time when I was a biomedical engineer, that time these all things I have practiced complete hand, everything dusty. Because of this is the suction machine. So instead motor oiling everything where, okay, that's why everything you have to accept as a biomedical engineer. Okay, right? Come on. And listen to carefully what I'm saying. Proper information only I'm going to share here. This is valid points in biomedical in services. Come to the point right now. Vacuum pump. See here, vacuum pump. I'm going to show you. I'm going to tell you one by one points here. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K. Okay. Cylinder heads here. Okay. So every parts are there. Actually, these all parts no need to open that much. Chances also not possible. For your knowledge purpose, if I understand you, then matter how work, why got damaged, and what are the reasons are there, what is the behind of the mistakes. If you know these all things, that's why I'm giving presentation. Definitely will catch my points. Is it clear, my voice? Is it audible, my dear engineers? Right, come on. Cylinder head, valve replate, reed valve, cylinder, piston, connecting rod, okay, connecting rod and crankshaft, bearings, oil shaft, and pumping body. Okay, these are the vacuum pump exploded view. And now come here. I want to show you one more point, that is motor exploded view. Here, see, front-ended seal and bearing, rotor, stator winding, and rear end seal and cooling fan, fan cover, and capacitor, terminal box. See, these all points complete lot of information I'm sharing here. Why? Why? What is the reason here? Because of in practical work, so many engineers are asking me, and so many subscribers also asked me. For that purpose, if I give the proper advice, okay. So definitely one greatest society we can create by my live sessions, right? Come on. Now let me finish right now. Listen to carefully what I'm saying here. And many more important points I'm going to show you. See here. Electrical parts detailed view I want to show you. See here. 100 out of 100% I have explained here, and little points I'm going to finish and try to engage because of fulfill information I want to give you in my live sessions. Even small missions also I'm going to take care because of small missions also giving best performances. Right? Come on, fifth point. See here. Electrical parts details. See here. Now here I'm explaining second slide presentation of my aspirator suction machine. Here see electrical parts. What are the things? Power switch, rocker type. See here how look like. Okay, and pressure switch, vacuum switch how look like. Because of how look like, that is very important. When you see the parts, then you have to know, then you have to come to understand what I'm saying here, right? Now capacitor, see here, motor start. Capacitor, why we use? Because of to start up the motor to torque improving purpose. Capacitor is very important. That's why capacitor available near motor. Okay, next fuse holder, see here, and power socket, AC inlet how look like I'm going to show here. An indicator, a lamp, LED. Okay, so every indicator, these are the basic parts available, electrical parts in the suction machine, right? Okay, now come here. Accessories, sir. What are the accessories I'm going to show you right now? See here. Accessory suction side. See. Anchor handle reusable. See, these are the accessories why depend on condition of the patient and depend on modes. Like like neonatal, pediatric, adult. Okay, depend condition of the patient. Those are the catheters we are using. Okay, see here. Handle reusable and suction catheters how look like. See here. And suction catheter plain tip and suction tubing silicone. See, actually these are the not parts of the biomedical engineering, but sometimes what happen, sometimes these problem will come. Then these are the consumable parts mostly. These are not under scope of the biomedical services, but sometimes they are giving complaints the suction is not working. They don't know because of they know very well only biomedical engineers provide the services. That's why they want to give the informations about this. So that's why if you know these all informations, how look like, these are the regular accessories suction side. These are the not possible to see also because of these are the very production and infection control time because of that is restricted area. And bacterial hydrophobic filter. See, this is the very important. Regularly we have to check it and we have to face it. Overflow protection valve float and jar lid with connectors here inside part. Next collection jar 1000 ml or 2000 ml depend on requirement we can take it. Now come here, other accessories are what are there. See, so these all things complete informations I am going to say because of, see, if I take any medical equipment, if anything, complete information I'm trying to give you because of complete information available in my live sessions, right? I hope you got very clear right now. Now other access here, power cord 3-pin and extra fuse spare and tubing connector adapter and wall mounting bracket, and see a silicone oil for pump and maintenance kit, oil o-ring gasket and user manual, extra jar set optional. Okay, these are the accessories when you buy the new equipment, then every accessories we may have in that kit. Okay, next come here. Now electrical specifications I want to tell you because of these are the very important, everyone, right? Electrical specifications, see here. Electrical specifications, see here. Parameter specification typically, and input voltage 220 to 240 voltage AC 50 Hz, and power consumption 1800 to 400 VA depending on model, and motor power 1 by 4 HP to 1 HP. Okay, and capacitor rating 10 microfarads to 30 microfarads, 440 VAC AC motor, and switching rating 10A to 50 VAC rocker switch, and fuse rating 3 amps 3 amperes 250 VAC slow blow, and power cord 3 core 1.5 mm square 3 pin medical grade, and insulation class class B, class F, and protection classes class 1 type BF applied part, and noise level 6 as dB. Okay, these are the important specifications. It is going to vary depend condition of the make model, right? Come on. So this all information information, because of these are the points you have to find out, because of whenever you get a complaint, you have to follow and you have to focus and you have to replace. At the end of the day, you have to resolve the issues. That is the greatest responsibility of the biomedical engineers. Okay, right? Come on, wiring diagram. See here. See wiring diagram. If I show you, then you may not understand. Then what is the diagram? How look like? Then you come to understand, right? And see here, live, phase, neutral, earth, and power switch how look like, and fuse how work, and an indicator lamp how look like, and pressure switch. Because see, for every medical equipment we do the service purpose, service manual will be there. Okay, manuals are there, service manuals and technical service manuals you have to keep with you, and you have to collect the service manuals from your seniors. Okay, so whenever you want to become a specialist, definitely these are the points very very important to follow, right? Come on. Now common electrical components ratings, see here commonly. Okay, component ratings I am going to say: power switch 10 amps to 50 VSC. Okay, because of why I'm saying, because of so many suction machines do not mention any, like switch side not mention anything. So then how do you find out? Because of depend on motor, you have to check it voltage everything. Then what are the things are the one by one, you have to check it by using the multimeter, then you can fix it. So maximum those specification parameters mentioned on the switch, then you come to understand. And what are the things, common electrical components ratings I'm going to say, listen to carefully right now. Okay, right, come on. Power switch 10 amps to 50 VSC, and pressure switch 5 amps per 250 VSC, and capacitor 10 microfarads to 30 microfarads to 440 VSC, and fuse 3 amps to 50 VSC slow blow, and motor 220 to 240 VSC 50, and 1 by 4, okay, HP or 1H to 2800 RPM rotation per minute. Okay, power cord 3 core 1.5 mm square, and 250 VSC indicator lamp, and 250 VSC LED. These are the points you have to keep in your mind. These are the points very very important whenever you, these are the basic points, and these are why I'm giving, because of these all things within fraction of minutes. So you have to keep in your mind multiple equipments, and see, when you want to become in any medical equipment, troubleshooting is important, operation is important, the specification is important, principle is important. Okay, and what are the accessories are important, what are the components are important. Okay, if you know these all things, then only you come to do the services, and you can provide the services instantly, right? Come on. Now I want to show you, see here, sockets and plug type internally how look like, I want to show you, see here. And different countries, depend on countries, so we have a plug top. Understand? See here, type A, type C, type G, type C, type F, type T. One is USA, Japan type, one is Europe and UK, Australia, Suco, and India. Okay, these are the types. This is not a matter, whatever your requirement, you can get it in the market. So every types of plug tops available in the market, nothing to worry globally. That's why I'm saying, see here, I'm giving all information. Why? Because this is the global subject. Any can, anyone can watch my sessions, any India, any country, okay, any state, any world. Because of I'm going to give the presentation, because of that is the great values of biomedical engineering services. My expectation, everyone should have a proper knowledge, right? Now see here, color code for wiring the internal standards. See here, live brown, red, black. Okay, neutral blue or white, and earthing green or green yellow. Okay, these are the things you have to recognize, right? Come on. And safety and standards here, internal certified here. These are the symbols I'm going to see: ISO 48 and IACC. These are the things. These are the standards available in the medical sector. Then you have to know as a biomedical engineer. Okay. Right. So typical ranges I have explained. Now come here. Maintenance and safety is essential, because before and these live sessions, I want to give you proper information about this. Okay. Right. Come on. First of all, see, listen. Till now, you are engaged my session. Thank you so much. And now, endpoint, see here, maintenance and safety essential. Check power cord and plug for damage, and ensure proper earthing, and replace fuse with same rating, and use correct capacitor value, and keep filter clean and replace periodically, and do not operate with full jar, and regular lubricant pump if applicable, and follow manufacturer service schedule. Okay, these are the main important things to follow. Next here, legend, see here, electrical part and mechanical part and accessories are consumable. These are the very very important. You have to focus as a biomedical engineering, and I hope you understand my points and try to learn all things and try to practice, try to engage my life session. Definitely you will have a bright future, right? So here, see, 100% I'm giving instructions, because of those all instructions you have to do practical in way. Okay, only engage my live sessions, that is not enough to survive in your life. Okay, this is one of the one bridge. Okay, from your starting stage to like specialist, that is the going to make a bridge. Those points I'm going to explain here, right? So these are the points I have successful completed. So within 2 slides presentation, I have give the full complete information about the success, right? I hope you got it very clear right now. Now I'm going to stop this presentation because of 100% complete dedication. Even Sunday also, today I bring it for you, and what I have given the commitment, those informations I have provided, and these all information clear cut. Okay, I have performed. I hope, and these are things going to record. Nothing to worry. Okay, anytime you can watch my sessions, and you will get a great future. Thank you so much. First of all, I should be thankful for everyone. 12 lakhs views reaching my channel, and more complete best engaged. And I hope coming sessions I want to create a biggest platform in the society. I want to create in my own way, which is necessary to all biomedical engineering successful way, right? Thank you so much, and keep watch my session. Now successfully today I have completed the live sessions what I bring it you based on content. That is what aspiratory success mission. Thank you so much. I'm going to end this session. I will come back again tomorrow, daily 9 p.m. I will come live sessions tomorrow also, one more topic. Please engage my sessions, and subscribe now. Okay, right, come on.